Hey guys, so welcome back to a new video, and today we are talking about the Visha Video Player. What is that? How it works? So first of all, you come to Google Play Store and search Visha Player. Now guys, you need to know that basically it's called all-in-one video player, where you can if you want to listen all the want to listen music stored in your mobile studio, all right, then you can do that. And if you want to play the music in the background, then you can do that. And also here in Visha Video Player, all formats will be work smoothly. It have 500 million downloads, and its size is just 50 MBs. The best thing is that here you can find the interface is user friendly. You can easily use that. At the bottom side you can see the video, music, downloads and more. You can, if you want to download anything, then you can download that. And also you can watch movies here in full HD quality, and some kind of you can do downloads also. You want, if you can want to listen, then it's also possible. You can change the audio format. So at the end I say my final verdict is that Visha Video Player is a best and all-in-one video player for the video lovers, movies lovers and song lovers who want to listen the songs offline. I hope it's workful and helpful for you. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.